software, they have a strategy, they can help you in defeating roulette. But there is a problem. Nobody is showing themselves. One moment, I come back. Alright, where was I? So yes, you are here to search how to defeat roulette. And you don't have to learn, you don't have to invest your time, your money, your effort in discovering the secret, because you can study, watch, and decide somebody who can help you in do that. For example, if I need a lawyer, I don't need to study 5 years in college to become a lawyer when I need to be to have a lawyer. I can pay a service from a lawyer, and then I can be taught by him what to say, what to do, what to... This is only an example which I give. So here we can talk that you can invest a tiny amount of money and you can pay me to teaching you to defeat roulette. Because roulette, it's a program, it's an algorithm who can be understand. If you know that, you can understand that not everybody is bad on the internet. Of course, when you look that no one's showing himself, that's 99% show that they don't have something to helping you, because that's why they're not showing themselves.